Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Tech in Tech. So today we'll be teaching you on how on your OEX app how you are going to swap to the coin that we are told to do, which is known as COM. So follow along with me on how we do that. But now, what do we do on our channel? Our channel, we give crypto updates and airdrops. So if you want to join, do well to please subscribe. And as well, this is the logo for the OEX in the app. So today I'm going to explain to you on how you are going to download the updates of OEX for you to be able to download the updated OEX app for you to get to swap the COM which you are told to do. But to achieve that, first we need to buy our core. Either you buy the core either from your Binance or from your Bybit. If you are joining our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like and share as well. There's also a link in the bio that will be directing you to where we discuss with our friend. So let's start. So now I'm searching for my app, which is OEX. I've already updated mine, so I'm typing OEX now. I've updated mine already, so I'll be sending the link for you that will be helping you to update your OEX, where you can swap your COM which you are told to buy. Now it's opening, so I'm going to sign in now, putting in my password. I'm waiting for it to load. So this is how the app looks like after you've updated it and sign in. So I'm already signed in already, so I'll go to my long testnet up there. I'll click on COM minutes, and after that I'll click on my call. Then after that I click on swap. As you can see down there, it is OEX. So, and we are told to change it to our COM. So the first thing is, I went back now to go back to show you where my COM minute is, as you can see on the screen. So I would like you to follow along one after the other. Then if you don't understand, you can pause the screen at a time, then you watch it. So this is how the page will look after you've clicked on your COM minute. Then now I'm going back, I click on swap, as you can see on the screen. So I've gone back again. I want you to understand it, that's why I'm clicking it over and over again. So I click on that call. I want to copy my, as you can see, I've copied it from the QR code. I've copied my call. Now I went back again. This is how the app looks, as you can see on the screen. Click on swap call. The call you need is just at least one call and one COM. So after buying your call from any channel, either from Bybit or Binance, then I change the down part to COM because that is what we are told to buy, which I need to swap. So now I'm typing the value that I want to buy. I already have call, that's why I'm typing the value. As you can see, as I'm typing, is the COM coin there is changing. So now it's telling me that I want to buy 118,000 COM if I use 0.00015. Now I click on swap. So now let's wait for it to swap. It has swapped successfully because it does not show any error, as you can see on the screen. Now I'm going to show you again from beginning on how to do it in case you don't understand what I did. So you click on up here, you see a lot of things, AES, team, ages. But the thing you need to click on the mission, which is down there. There are a lot of missions you need to do one after the other in this app, which is OEX, so that you'll be able to have access to the airdrop when it is being released. So you click on mission C, which is the latest mission. So because I've already swapped my COM, that is why it's showing this success. But if you are just doing that, you will see in that down part where they ask you to enter. So now I'll go back to my mission C. You can see that as I'm clicking each of those missions, I've already done that. So I implore you to click each of the mission and do yours, so that in case the airdrop will be released, you'll be part of those that will be given. So I'll be starting again one after the other to explain to you how I got my com. Now we'll be signing in now. So let me show you again one after the other. You search for your OEX app on your phone. After the updated OEX app, the link is going to be on the bio section, so I'd like you to go through it in the info to update yours. So you click on call minutes up right, then after that you click on call. Remember, you already bought call, then you copy the address of your call. So after copying the address of your call, then you go back, because that address you copy is one you will paste to when you want to buy your com, as you can see here. So I would like you to follow it one after the other. So I click on com now because I want to swap. I already have call on my app because I already bought it through my minutes. So it is the address in the call you paste in the either your Bybit or your Binance where you buy it. Then you send that call from your Binance or Bybit report to this OEX app. Now I'll be swapping. So I'm going to swap a little call because the com you need is just at least one. So you can keep reducing. So I've clicked swap now. Reduce the call value. I've clicked swap now, as you can see on the screen. Now it's rolling. So let's wait to see if it will be swapped successfully. So let's wait. Now it is swapped successfully because it gives no error message. So now to confirm it is true, you click on up down there, as you can see on the screen. So then you go back to your mission and click on mission. See, then you see that it has been swapped successfully. Your com value is already there, and the call amount you bought is 0.4816. So if you come to this place, they can ask you to click on enter down part, because I've already done mine. That's why it's not giving further information on what to do. So in case you're having issue on what to do well to put that in the comment section if you still don't understand how to buy your com, which you are told to do. So make sure you do those tasks one after the other. Tasks mission 1, mission 2, mission L, do everything, mission X, mission C, mission Z, mission E, mission C. Make sure you do all those missions in it. So if you're just joining our YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe, share as well, and as well give it a thumb up. This is how we update people on airdrops. So if you would like to join the updates on our airdrops channel and crypto, the link to our WhatsApp channel is on this video, which we would like you to join. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.